Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in. Today, I'm super excited to share with you a brand new mod menu for Among Us that comes with some amazing features like always being the imposter, no clip, and many more. Whether you're on an Android or an iOS device, this mod menu works perfectly. To show you how awesome this is, I'm using a pretty old iPhone, and even on this device, it works like a charm. It's actually insane how well it performs. Of course, this mod menu also works on the latest iOS updates. And the best part? You don't need to jailbreak your device or anything complicated like that. This method is straightforward and easy to use. So, make sure you watch the entire video, follow all the steps carefully, and soon you'll be enjoying these incredible features as well. Let's dive in and get started. Before you can use this method, there are some settings you need to change. These settings apply only for iOS devices. If you are on an Android device, you can skip this part and move on to the next step. First of all, you need to make sure that your Among Us game is updated to the latest version. To check that, simply go to the App Store and see if there is any update available for the game. If there is, download and install it right away. If not, then you are good to go. Next thing you need to do is go to your settings and make sure that your battery saver mode is turned off. This mode can interfere with the mod and prevent it from working properly. So, make sure that your battery saver mode is off before proceeding further. What you need to do next is open up your internet browser, in my case it will be Safari, and go to the website called lucidapk.com. Lucidapk.com is a website where you can find many modded apps and games with amazing features. Once you are on the website, search for Among Us and click on it. Here you will see some information about the app. To start the download, click on the blue download button and wait some time for the installation to finish. However, there is one more step that you need to complete before you can finish the installation. This step may vary depending on your device model and operating system, and usually involves some pretty simple steps. Don't worry, this step is very easy and quick, and there will be a video tutorial on how to complete it. Just follow the instructions and you should be fine. So, that's it guys. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a comment, like, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.